Beautiful bull flag right before we started here tonight. Let me get the screen up here. Let me just get the screen up and running here. Let's see here. And Q. All right. Here we go. And Q. Let's go. Here we go. Look at that beautiful pattern here. If they get up to the 900 handle, 900 to 940, I look to short them. This is a beautiful bull flag right here. It's called the double blue right here. 5-minute time frame, pencil up, you buy the pullback right there. That was a good one right there. Okay, that's a good one. So I hope everybody had a great day. Everybody have a great day today. All right, let's see. I learned a lot today. I'll tell you that. I learned a lot. Recognizing how hard, not only is trading hard, but how hard it is for people to trade on the DOM, right? And I don't know. It's like I just because you're using level 1, right? And but Aaron, I can't see the chat on my YouTube, by the way, just to let you know. Adam, how are you? Emil, how are you? Everybody, good evening, everybody. All right, I'd cancel the short there. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, it really is. I mean, I just don't understand how you can um you just got in from the wow. Hey SK, I'm doing good. We buy. I'm doing well, thank you. So and they're off. Here we go. 900. I looked to short them up there. If they hit the 900 mark. Nope, we just missed it. All right, they're going to be off and running here. Let's look at the 1 minutes here. All right, they just got cabooshed here. I knew they were short. You can see the negative. Oh, my God. Look at them drop. Oh, you got cabooshed on 2 accounts? Come on, Derek. Let's go. All right. How'd you get cabooshed, Derek? I'd buy these NASDAQs here if they get down to the 15 to 55 range. Or maybe you can go 10 to 50 range. Better. Probably 10 to 50 range. Let's see if we get a push down here. Oh, boy. I knew they were going to get cabooshed here. This was the 900 print right before. All right. You can go 50, 55 so long here. But, yeah. See if you get another push down. Crazy market. What a cabooshin. Game for play. The Luke. Luke, how you feeling? There we go. There we go. Hit 55 not once but twice here. I don't know. If you bought them, just scalp them out for 10. I don't know. All right, nice move up here. All right, pushed up here about 15 on the 1 minute. Nice push down. All right, if you didn't buy it, I would cancel it. Bedanaya back in the game. NASDAQ just ran 20 just now. Bedanaya. Whew. Wow, what a rally. You got it? Hey, hey Bodine, how are you? See if we can get another push down here. All right. How is everybody? Hey, Step Trade X Moon Boy, how are you? SK Isaac. Here's someone new. What's the spin on names I've seen on stream? Court Bros, how are you? Wow, what a night last night. Remember the NASDAQ last night? 700 points running around crazy. It's going to be really quiet here. Unbelievable. Last night, I knew that was a short there. I said if it got up to 900, you can see the non-confirmations here on the 15. Going long at 850. Well, the low was 855. I said 50-55, but hey, Joey. Hey, Joey Numbers in the house. OMHV. How are you? All right. OMHV. Yes, sir. All right. Let's see if we get another push down here. All right. If they get down, look at the 15s. These are the 30s. You can see the sell divergences here. I'm not really that bullish here right now. Let me just see the 15s. Oh my God, the 15s are rolling over. If they get down to the 10 to 0545 range, maybe for a scalp long. I don't like that the 15-minute time frames are starting to turn down here. The 10 bar, look at this. Boom. There you go. Boom. There we go. We lost the war. Boom. Breaking all gold restrictions lifted on my finish. Yeah, yay! I knew that was coming. I didn't want to. There you go. The gold restrictions have been lifted. Yes, yes, and more yes. Yes, yes, and more yes. Wow, the gold restrictions. Unbelievable. I knew that was coming. I was not allowed to tell you all. Okay, stopped on NQ? What do you mean? What do you mean stopped? What do you mean stopped? That's big. Yes, sir. There you go. Let's kick these out above 50-55 if you bought them. Gold restrictions lifted at my funded futures. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Love it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see what's good. Oh, that was a great short up there. Again, pushing up to non-confirmations. This 997. This was the trade right here, the 900, right before we came on. I said 900. I don't know if people were able to get that. People were only like 50. Nasdaq short, I called a long. Oh, and you covered the short? Got it. All right, gotta wait. Wow, compared to yesterday, by this time we already did 200 points up and down. Okay, I'm doing good, Vaughn. How are you, Augusto? There you go, up 20 off that. Let's go. Yes, sir. I'm gonna clean my glasses. I can't see yet. I had to leave Henny home 2 nights in a row. Oh, he's mad. My Henny's mad. Hey, Aunt Anton, how are you? D Hall, what's going on, brother? D Hall, Vaughn, JL Trading, how are you? Look at them. There they go. Up 20 off that. Oh, my Henny's so mad at me. He does not want to sit home alone. My Henny's so mad. You another Armenian? Hey, text me, 914-500-7484. Again, 914-500-7484. Hope everybody had a great day today. Henny needs a girlfriend. Henny needs to calm down. He's crazy. Thank you, David. Thank you, David. Henny needs to calm down. There you go. Oh, nice little bear flag here. All right, if they get up to the, let's see if these five, I want these fives to get overbought. Boom. They get up to the 95 range here, or 90. I look to short these. Let's go 20. Let's see. No, we got to wait a little higher. I go like 900 to 940 on the short. Nice dud. See, that was a double blue buy here. See why I called the long here? You can see that the 5 reversed to buy here, and then you buy the first pullback right here. So I still think you get one more push up when these 5. See the oversold condition into the positive MACD? Just got down to 37. They ripped here. That's not bad. 50 up, 55 up, right? Gold's doing absolutely nothing here. Gold's in a sell disconnect right now. All right. Gold's in a sell disconnect right now. Right. Hey, JK, how are you? There you go. If this NASDAQ gets up to 900, thinking 900, 904. Okay, code and email. Let me see. Sorry. Ryan, I just sent it. $890. Gold's doing nothing. Boy, what a different night. Off to fill the gap. Oh, yes. Whoa, boy, is it dead. Come on, let's see if we get one more push up here. Got the All-Star game going on. So who's ever watching the game? Let's keep I think it can get to 925 Nasdaq previous highs. Probably. Did it hit 900? I think it did. No. Oh, 902. Yep. If you shorted 900, you want to just scalp it down 810, just scalp it. Hey, better than never. Hey, Barbarino, how are you? If this can get one more push up here. Man, hit 900, then stopped. I guess you could have just covered down about 10 to 15 if you were short. That's what I would have done. But, right? That was a beautiful double blue, Christopher Pac-Man, right? 37 all the way up on the double blue, right into the MACD positive, right? Oversold, Price pushed down, oversold into a positive MACD right into the 10 bar. That's why I called out long off the 5-minute. Okay, how's anybody new here today? How's everybody? Got a lot of good things coming out here with my funded futures. And again, I don't know if anybody heard, they lifted the restrictions on gold. They did it. I knew that was coming though, but I had to keep my mouth shut. Here it is. You probably can get up to the 910. If you want to go 905 to 45, 910 to 50, there goes the gold right back up on the gold. Not a fan of this gold right here. ASML earnings. Yep. Gold got you want to see some great patterns here today. I mean, nothing but patterns. Look at Goldman Sachs here today. Goldman, right? You can see Goldman pushed in here. Look at this, oversold. Look at this beautiful bull flag. Look at this, oversold into a positive MACD on the 30 and the 60-minute time frames. Positive MACDs, rising ADXs. When you see that type of big buying pressure and you get this oversold condition, positive MACD, ADX is rising on the 30 and the 60, forget it. You got to buy that. That's an absolute Picasso right there. Do you guys see that right there? In the 60-minute time frame, I mean, you see patterns like this, man. Look at this, ADX rising. Sorry about that. I had to. So if you look here, you can see the pullback here on the 15. This was beautiful. It's an absolute. I wanted to short that gold up there just now. Damn it! You're in a sell disconnect on the gold. Can't take that. So if you look here, sorry about the noise. Let's see here. You can see the push up here. You can see the push up here. So if you look here, you can see, oh, there goes the NASDAQ. I knew it. Yep. Yep. That's it. Somebody said that. Yep, I kind of agreed. Again, that was some move. Almost up 100 handles here off that bull flag on the 5-minute. Right there. And if you were short here, you should have covered right there at 89. If you're short, look to cover between the 900, 915 level. Hey, Ravlin, anybody keep us up on the All-Star game, please? All right, they should start dropping here. Oof, what a day. Yep, I think they're short off the 15. You have a 95 overbought reading. You have a 93 overbought reading on the 90-minute. Yes, sir. Oh, boy. We got the CPI wasn't that great today. It was better than expected. And then we have the PPI coming out tomorrow on Thursday. Oh, yeah. We shall see. All right. You got long at 850. Good job. That's 75 points. Good job off that double blue buy. Up 100 points. Hey, Prince. How are you? Prince NQ? All right, we're going to do the raffle sometime throughout the day here tonight. Kaboom, baby goat. Yes, sir. That was the double blue buy I called here. It said to get out a little early, though. Got up to 65. Never expected another 50 points after that, but. Bobby Trades, how are you, Bobby Trades? Stock Girl, too. How are you? Oh, I killed it today on the open. You know, I saw a video last night or a couple of nights ago that said that hey system nice long on the Nasdaq, yeah, 7760. Yep. The Nasdaq, yep, off the 30-minute time frames, Ravlin. All right. So I heard somebody say you know, hey, from Afghanistan. Hello, sir. Abdul, how are you? Very nice. And again, if anybody new would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email, and I'll send it off to you to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. So somebody last night was talking about how they don't trade the first 15 minutes of the day. Are you crazy? The first 15 minutes is probably one of the best times to trade, right? One of the best times to trade. So I don't know. I just think that just an amazing opportunity to trade that time period. But again, I think the 15 should roll over here. So you can cover anywhere between the 900 and 915 level here if you're short. Ugh. Here we go. Oh, the door feels good being open. Right. Yeah. Are you okay? Nice to meet you, Abdul. You got that bull flag, Kyle? Oh, Kaish? That was beautiful right here. Let's put the 1 minute up. Got down to 06. That's pretty good enough for me. Dropped 32 off the highs. You know what I'm saying? Pretty damn. All right. See if this NASDAQ can start rolling over here. 15-minute time frames, way overbought. 30s getting overbought. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. No more questions, and I won't tell you no lies. Here we go. Yeah, I would probably tell you that you should really learn before you do anything. Okay? It's like going to college and then thinking in 2 days you're going to get your degree and go and operate on somebody. You can't do it. Okay? You got to learn first. And the reason why most people fail is because they think they could trade an option or a future or micro, and they think that that you can do it. How about when you say cover? Do you mean by this? What I mean by cover shorts. If you're short, what am I going to say? Buy them? No, you say look to cover your shorts, right? So I think the right thing to do, Abdul, is to really learn before you pull the trigger, or. Okay, what up, Brooklyn? Jay Reardon, what's going on? Hey, MV Pickney. Jinga, how are you? All right, got all the way down. You get short, Jason. They're gonna break.
I'm holding strong.
Okay, we'll lower your stops.
They're gonna go.
Well, you got the 1 minute time frame. I'm still thinking the fives are going to turn down.
I think it's like
The Black Dragon, love that name. Rick Francis. What's going on, Rick Francis? Rick, you're from Alabama, right? Covering is closing the trade, basically. There you go. Right off the 1 minute. Just rallied here. 05. Now don't ask. I'm going to Skinner next Friday night, baby. Woohoo! Front row seats. Johnny Van Zant. Mm-mm. You're not bothering me, Abdullah. What are you, crazy? You're never bothering me. All right? Boy, can you imagine yesterday? Yesterday compared to today? If you hit your goal, Keelan, you should definitely stop. That's what I would do. Yes. There's gold pushing up. I short up there on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ went from 38 down to 05. That's pretty good enough. I think this gold looks like it wants to potentially, if gold gets up, I want to short this gold. It goes up to 67, 68 maybe. How was your overall trading day, brother? I got it. I killed him. I got him. I got him. Hey, Joey Numbers. Got to go to work? All right, Joey Numbers. I love Joey Numbers. I love that name. Give me 3 steps. Give me 3 steps, mister. Give me 3 steps towards the door. Give me 3 steps. Give me 3 steps, mister. You'll never see me no more. I was cutting the rug, and you know that was a place called The Jug, was a real place. You know that? With a girl named Linda Lou. When in walked a man with a gun in his hand, looking for you know who. All right, this gold's gonna go triple in. I said, hey there, fella, with your hair color yellow. Sir, while watching your chart, much complex for it to compare to traders I have been following, but it's first time. You got to learn. You're not going to learn this day one, Abdullah. Okay? All right. Of course, Jay Reardon. Jay Reardon, give me a call, 914-500-7484. Okay? I have JD from Arkansas and the 2 gentlemen behind me. Okay? Jay Reardon from the great state of Florida. That's right. Oh, that 1 minute time frame, that little bull flag here. I hope you guys covered there. That's why I called the range to cover. Cover! We won the war. We won the war. We won the war. It's like anything else, Abdullah. You put your mind to it, right? And you can do anything you want. Okay? Abdullah from Afghanistan, right? You put your mind to it, you can do anything you want. Was listen, life shaking like a leaf on the tree. Cause he was mean and lean and big and bad about pointing that gun at me. I knew that goal was short at 64, but you're only gonna get $3 maybe. Hey, wait a minute, mister, I didn't even kiss her. Don't want no trouble with you. I hope you guys played your Mega Million tonight. 600 million. How much is Powerball? Oh my God almighty.
Billy.
It's $1 billion?
Half.
Oh, half. Oh my God. Well, that's my woman there, and I'm a man who cares. This might be all for you. 44 the Punisher. Stock Girl, what's going on? Michael B, Trader 007NQ. There you go. Johnny Van Zandt can't sing. I'll jump on stage. Now don't you give me 3 steps, give me 3 steps, mister. Give me 3 steps towards the door. Give me 3 steps, give me 3 steps, mister. You'll never see me no more. What's up? Anybody live here? No, my son, my son works in the business. My daughter is in the medical field. I am blessed beyond blessed, beyond blessed, beyond blessed, beyond blessed. Every single day, I have my 2 beautiful children, my 2 dogs, right? I have great people here. I have a great community. I love what I do. I love to trade. I wish I had 3 guys next to me just execute my orders because I would trade every tick. I would forget it, what I would do. 1 trading S&Ps, 1 trading NASDAQ, and 1 trade, maybe 2 trading stocks and 1 trading index futures. That's it. It's over. Fine, hard thing is, look at them get cabooshed. Where's the bear? I don't know if that's I don't know. I don't want to break a YouTube violation. I don't know if that song Aaron created is a real song. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email and I will send it to you. Also, coming soon. Look at these t-shirts. Look at these t-shirts. Look at these t-shirts. With the My Fund the Futures logo on it. Cabooshed. Look at that. And on the back, you can see that. You got the cabooshed. Where's the bear? Right? Right? And then we got the other one here. Right? Mr. Bull. Right? The kaboom. Look at the kaboom. With the My Fund the Futures logo. Yeah, baby. Get in there. There goes the NASDAQ. Look at that. Right? I got so many coming out. Fill the coolers. Get in there. It's over. What else? So many great ones. So many great ones. All right. What a short up there. How can you buy a t-shirt? Holy Fook? I don't know yet. We're going to work on it. Then we got to get a couple. It's Christmas. Oh, today? Oh my God. Today was Christmas in July. All right. Look at that gold drop 4. Wow. Unbelievable. Yes, sir. You shorted 915s. Okay, so Pro Trader, can I just tell you a little something, right, Baba? Please try to not okay. When are they going to be available? I don't know. Hopefully in the next. I'm putting an order in probably tomorrow. Hey Notar. What was I going to say just now? Oh, Pro Trader. So can you do me a favor? Right, you saw how the NASDAQ went all the way up to 38. And I just want to just teach you something, right? You can do whatever you want, but the strategies that I trade and the way I trade, I don't do what's called single lot entries, right? So I just think what you should do is really be careful. If you're sorting 915s when they trade up to 938, you sell more or you double up, right? To bring your average price up. I understand it's risky, but to do single lot entries, look at the gold drop 5. I told you gold was a short, but I was waiting for 65. Got up to 64.5. But the Christmas and oh yeah, look at this NASDAQ 68. If it trades 68, oh my lord, it'll be down 70. So you see why I called it short? You see the non-confirmations, right? The not confirming on the NASDAQ. So if you look here, you can see here. You see if I make it smaller. Whoop. If I make it smaller, you're making new highs. Did the MACD confirm right there, Nick? No, look at. Oh, okay. You're short. Okay. JD, is it right? You got it, Jason. You understand that, JJ? Jay?
He made 900 one.
Oh, he's not even here. Oh, I'm talking to nobody. No, I'm saying, you see how why I'm calling shorts up there, Ryan? I hope you got that short. You see that the non-confirmation. So you're making new highs, right? The MACDs can't confirm on the 15, and guess what? The MACD could not confirm on the 30-minute. So that's why when you go into the game, you have to understand if something happens, boom, right? Okay, right? Luke, get in there. Now, I want to show you something else today. I want to show you something really great. So today I said to my community that we had a ceiling on the Nasdaq and the on the underlying ETFs, right? What do I think of stock in futures? I think it's going to be absolutely insane. Okay? I think it's going to be absolutely insane, and something great I hope will happen from it. I think single stock futures is going to be absolutely insane. The way I trade with all my people trading all these names, Palantir, Apple, Tesla, you name it. Okay, AMD, are you kidding me? It'll be unbelievable. You want to wait for the oversold condition, Matty D. So anyway, so you see this push down today here. This is around the 10:30 in the morning right here. So we got the push up, right? So we got the push up on the opening. This is at 9 o'clock on the CPI number. Absolutely short of this above 900, 910. Next thing you know, it trades down to 830, 820. Then when we got the push down here at 1030, I said, buy the world. Buy the world. And look what they did. They rallied 300 points. You're making new lows here. Non-confirmations on the 30. Non-confirmations on the 60. NASDAQ had only one place to go but up. Right? But up. Now, if you look at the QQQs on the 60-minute, when we got this push up earlier, the MACDs were negative right here on the 30 and 60. And when I got the short, look what happened. Boom, right after the opening, 720 down to 714. That's 560 points on the Qs. That's on the NASDAQ. I mean, that's huge right there. I mean, the Qs. $6, $6.50. That's 300 points down on the NASDAQ. Okay? Okay? Okay.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, of course.
The Qs and the
Well, that's not true. I mean, you have to be careful when you say that. During the session tonight, the Qs are closed, right?
okay.
So you have to only say it in a way where, yes, in the day, during the U.S. session, then you can use the market in a way that correlates with the underlying ETFs.
Gotcha.
But in the night session, no. 2 up, American League. Oh my God, National League never wins. Nasdaq was a double blue buy, Matty D, but this was the long right here, right at 810, Matty. Down, I called the range 05 to 45. I got down to 37, and then when you pushed up here, you can see that the MACDs didn't confirm on the 15. You hot? Why don't you open the door? Back there. Just put it here. We don't have Henny here. Just run out.
That's good. That's just,
Open that door. Trust me. Just be careful.
Right.
Open that door. Like put a chair or something. Well, just maybe put a box or something. I don't know. Do something.
I got it.
All right. Just figure it out. 3-0 now. Oh my God. Oh, watch my shoot my screen. Yep. It's on. It's on. This, I'm telling you, you hold your breath in here. I'm telling you, man. You put my AMD chart down, I'll lose my.
I better just run.
Run, Forrest. Run, JD. Run.
Just the bathroom. You ever seen me run? It ain't gonna be.
All right. So here's the push down here on the NASDAQ. I want to see if we can get oversold here. That was some drop up there, man. Look at this. Look at this. What a short. Okay. 3-0 now? You messed my, right? You messed up my AMD chart. Look out. It's over. Oh, wait a minute, mister. I didn't even kiss her. I want no trouble with you. And I know you don't owe me, but I wish you would let me ask one favor from you. Oh my God, Mikey Jacques, 26. Mikey Jacques going for the gusto. Much better now, right? What happened? No? Felt something just now. I just felt it. Woof. Oh, won't you give me 3 steps? Won't you give me 3? Right, I don't know. I gotta see here. What are they gonna do here now? Oh boy. What a dump. Mm-hmm. Baby, I'll always love you. Oh, you can't change that. No, no. You're the only one I love. And they get down to 45 again. I look to buy them here. 05 to 45. Even though the 15s are turning down, any push up would make a lower high here. See the 15s turning down? You could change your telephone number. You could change your address too, but you can't stop me from loving you. Oh, you can't change that. No, no, now you're the only one I love. Can't change that. I lost all my savings on trading and I don't know what to do. I'm going crazy. Can I get some words of motivation? Yes. Start again. Learn from someone like me. Okay? Learn, and learn. Stop trying to learn on your own. It ain't going to happen. Okay? It ain't going to happen. Period. Learn a methodology. Learn the skills of the game. Learn how to really understand how to trade, whether it's pattern trading or scalp trading. It doesn't make it. It doesn't matter. Okay, so you want to you want to be able. Look at this, right back up. Look at this, right back up, off the 5 minute. Matty D, you get that long, Matty? Matty D. See what Henny did to my box today, Jason? He went crazy. He knocked my box off. He broke my.
Yeah, I gotta fix that for you.
How can you? It's hard to fix.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, he broke the piece.
Yeah.
I got the plastic is shot.
I'm
He went crazy.
I'm here for a couple more days.
But he's crazy. He ran and he barreled right into it.
Well, he's your dog.
I know
He learned that from his dad.
I don't know, but not me. I'm not running into anything. No, he's crazy, my doggy. Walk Trades, how are you? Good job. Oh, learn the only one I love. Look at him. There they go. 40 up. This is the Matty D. You get that? Good job, Matty D. Matty D, how's your son trading? I love it. You know how many fathers have come to me and said to me, please teach my son? I got a father and son coming in the beginning of August. Do you know that means the world to me? You know that? Because it reminds me when me and my son would trade the night session before anybody was trading the night session. Right? Right? Oh my God, 47,000? Unbelievable. Wow. It doesn't matter. No, no, now you're the only one I love. I can't change that. Boom, boom. Wow, look at him go. Exactly. It matters if you smash the legs. Can I tell you something seriously, Pierre Joseph? Hey, Pierre, how are you, brother? How's your newborn? I got to tell you seriously, if any of you have children, okay, that's why I'm out of the short. Okay. If any of you have children, I want to tell you seriously, if you could really think about this, teach them something. First of all, I don't want to get radical here, but I'm not really one to say that school is the answer. Okay, I mean I couldn't wait to get out of school. Okay, but with that being said, I just want to be clear. Okay, that when you're when you're trading the markets, okay, you want to be able to learn as much as you can. Um, and if you all have young children, I believe that the education system, don't shoot me, is antiquated and needs to be updated. But the Board of Ed and all this is all, I have my own philosophies on corruption and all this nonsense, right? However, why wouldn't they take a curriculum and teach things for the future, technical analysis, trading, investing, things that they could eventually benefit them in the future, right? Because why? It doesn't fit their world, right?
Dan, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm here.
I need some numbers.
How many we
We
have
have
total?
295.
295.
Yep.
We'll go number 17.
Number 17?
Yes, sir.
All right, one sec. Number 17 is, wow, deuce leveraged.
Wow.
That's a cool name.
Deuce leverage. Deuce leverage. The deuce. You got the deuce? You got the deuce? I got the deuce. Marvin, he's got the
There it
deuce.
is.
That's the Duke. Remember the movie?
All right.
The deuce is loose.
Next.
Deuce is loose.
Yep, next.
Number 91, sir.
PV like Victor, N as in Nancy, jokes. PVN jokes.
The deuce is loose. I used to sell T-shirts from St. Pauli girl. I mean, Canadian beer called the Moosehead. They had the moose is loose was the logo.
All right, here, next.
Number 123.
Piranhas Club. Piranhas Club.
Aaron, did Sean send you send over the? Did he send you over the podcast for tonight?
Did Sean send it to me?
Yeah, my guy Sean, the podcast.
Yeah.
I never got it. He never sent it to me.
Yeah, it came.
No, maybe he forgot to send it to me.
It's already posted on social medias,
Okay.
or
Can you
scheduled.
send-
Scheduled.
Wow, look at the NASDAQ. Unbelievable. Is he here? 123?
Piranhas Club.
Yes, sir.
Did
Nope.
I see him? Nope, I don't see him. I'm
Leo,
looking.
great job, Leo the Lion. All right. We're gonna go next.
All right.
Nope. Next. 100.
Wait, hold on. Let me go to live chat. 1 second, because this thing sometimes breaks. He is here.
He's here?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's my mistake, because it's the live chat thingy's broken. You guys got to click on live chat, not top chat, in order for him to. He was here. I saw him.
Okay.
All right. Back to you.
Thank you, sir. What a long there. What a long. But you can't stop me from loving you. Doing anything tonight? That was a great short, great long, great short, great long.
I'm in the
Nasdaq on the S&Ps just ran about 4. You could change the color of your hair, change the clothes you wear, but you never change the way I feel. Oh, you can't change that. No, no, now you're the only one I love. What's this? Ronna's Club. Good job. J Rod, if you wanna text me, anybody, Felix, how are you? No, not yet. I wouldn't short the Nasdaq yet. It's 2 a.m. Where is that? Get in there, Piranhas Club. You need someone to learn from, okay? Can't stop me from. Yes, you could text me from the UK just on WhatsApp, please. 914-500-7484. Manchester, England, I was there once. I believe I was there once. What a rally. 50 points on the 60 points on the Nasdaq. Listen, all you need is 3 to 5 great trades a day, right? Is it cold there? Where did I learn to trade? Well, I don't know. I mean, when I started work on the American Stock Exchange, my first 2 trades were options, and of course, well, it's the story of my life. It taught me about, you know, risk management, money protection, all that. It's cold in Australia, really, right now? Yeah, it's your winter. And then I just got a knack for it, and then I wasn't day trading. I was more like swing trading or position trading. And then when I went to the to the New York Stock Exchange, I started seeing some opportunities. I work with the biggest guys in the world, and I started doing some strategies. Gold, if it gets up to the 65 handle of 72, I would short it. Got a little bear flag sitting up here on the Nasdaq on the 5, but let's see if it goes a little higher. S&Ps just ran 7 on that same pattern. A lot of people like, Stevie, you're not even calling the S&Ps anymore. You're trading more Nasdaq. My community is 80% Nasdaq, but I still do S&Ps. I mean, I love the S&Ps. I mean, you can't take that away. Ryan, I hope you got that long. I'm going to get this guy. More competitive at 63 years old than when I was 18. Matty D, great job, Matty D. You're the only one I love. I want to go to Cuba. Okay. No, I think I'm behind. Oh, Bob Kendall's an endearing friend of mine. Absolutely. I don't talk to him all the time, but Bobby Kendall is a very endearing friend of mine. Oh, you can change the color of your hair. You could change the clothes you wear, but you never change the way I feel. No, I don't know. I don't work with Bobby. I know Bobby very well. I think I was there. I think I was there on business, though. I literally flew to England, did my meeting, and flew home the next morning. Who does that? That's crazy. Hey, MK Trader. Oh, my MKE Trader. How are you? I want to go to Florida. I spend 2 weeks in Miami Beach and a few trips to Everglades. Like one, okay. Well, then you should come and pass by me. I live in Florida, in Jupiter Beach. Look at this Nasdaq rally, 80 points up. I want to get this guy. Oh my God, I want to get this guy. Ryan, you get that long? That was a monster, beautiful pattern. Whose wife passed? I know. Yes, I know. I know. We spoke. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful woman. Beautiful. I had a good day today. Gonna go home, see my Henny. Laundry, relax, hang out with the guys, right? That your wife watching? Give her the code. It's free. You know it's free, right? And My Fun the Future's TV. That's all you gotta do. You don't have to leave your phone on. This is YouTube.
Oh,
Said you wanted her to watch it, right? So it's on either SK Trading
yeah, she
YouTube
watches on SK Trading.
or My Fun the Future's YouTube.
Yeah,
What's
she
her
does.
name?
Jessica.
We'll give out a big shout out. Jessica, what's up, Jessica? Your husband's in good hands. I love your 3 Great Danes. I got Henny's half Great Dane and half Shepherd and half crazy. Nasdaq is up to the 25 handle, 25 to 55. I take a scalp short. Gold's dropping here. Let's go. Let's do this. Ryan, this is some bear flag here. This hit 29, dropped 16. See, I was giving a shout out and I missed a trade to your wife.
Way to go.
Yeah, there you go.
Baby
Just
just-
dropped 20.
Baby just screwed us all.
Did you get the bear flag? I told you it was a bear flag. Oh my God, this was a 30 handle drop on a shutout. But I'll give Jessica. She's got latitude. Okay.
She got to deal
The
with
alpha,
me.
remember.
She's got-
She got to deal
yeah,
with me.
Jessica's got latitude. Okay. Yeah, and he's half quarter moose. Exactly. Oh my God, Ryan, you get that bear flag? Oh my God, I was just about to say it. Jesus, 20. Oh my Lord, what a short. He is such a beautiful boy, Mike Kendall Jenner. I'm telling you. Oh my God, look at this Nasdaq. 40 points down if it hits 89, hit 890. Oh, I said there was a bear flag for me. Wait till these 5s turn down. All right. Oh my Lord. Andrew, tell me, Andrew, talk to me, Goose. Please tell me somebody got that short. Where's the bear? That was a good one. Man, nobody. Today I shorted Broadcom, right? It had exactly. So listen to this. I shorted Broadcom at 95.90. That was the high on the opening, right after the opening, right? Then I went to go short Micron at 94.90. The high was 94.80. I shorted AMD and Micron. And literally, gold, yes, I'd be short. Okay? All right. Minutes. Right after Broadcom opened, it absolutely this is down 50 points here on the NASDAQ. I'm never doing a shout out again.
Right.
If you can't, that was too costly. Look at the gold drop. Gold, look to cover below 65. Martin, I called the range 65 to 72 on that. Ryan, tell me, good Lord God, that bear flag. Please, Ryan, get in there. And oh my God. Perfect. Let's go. I want to beat this guy. Good job, day trader. Now, see, again, you could be trading the markets in a positive trend. In a positive trend, you can have sell divergences. Okay, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And negative trends, you can have bidivergences, okay? Right? Martin, Schultze, get in there. I can't wait to meet Schultze. Schultze works for NASCAR. Last time I went to the Daytona 500, but the one before that, I actually was in the pit crew area, literally no more than 7 feet away. The guys above were wearing the headsets and everything, and the cars were coming in and go, woo, 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 woo. And I'm like, what? And when they came around turn 4 for the first time at the Daytona 500, I don't know what scared the life out of me more. The Thunderbirds flying right over my head before they sang right after the national anthem, or when they came around turn 4 for the first time. Man, those engines were loud. Damn. Loud. Look at this gold garbage. Kabooshed. Where's the bear? All right, so not bad, right? Long, short, right? Nas S&Ps, I gotta start calling that down 5. Same identical pattern. So if anybody's trading S&Ps, just all right, let's go. Oh, you can't change that. So prolong, right? If you're short earlier here and you're short at 9:15, and then next thing you know, right, you're short 9:15, and it goes to 9:38, goes to 9:30, Baba, right? If you're short 1 at 15, maybe short 3 at 30, or you short 2 at 30, bring your average price up to 22, right? Or 23. You see what I'm saying? Okay? Oh, the 30-minute times on gold is crazy. Oh, wait till that gold gets kabooshed. You can change the color of your hair. You can change the clothes you wear, but you never change the way I feel. Oh, you can't change that. No. There you go, Martin. Get in there. Now you're the only one I love. Can't change that. Boom, boom. That's the stylistics, man. I'm telling you. I know I'm older than most of you, but I'm telling you. But you want to talk about good music back in the 60s and early 70s? That group can sing, right? Okay, OAM. Why are you asking me short Nasdaq when it just dropped 70 points already? Come on. You don't want to go in the bathroom, do you? Right? Put him in the bathroom. Right, Mr. X? You got the drop too soon? All right, time for, okay. Gold just dropped 5 already. Oh, we have so much fun. Aaron came up with a whole bunch of, we have the stream deck. He got me a bigger one. I have sound effects all day long. Aaron, I'm not allowed to play that song, right?
Yeah, play the song.
No, I don't know if I'm allowed to.
Gold just dropped.
No. Gold just rallied.
Well,
yeah,
but 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, but I don't know if I'm allowed to play that song. Is that a song AI created, Aaron, or is that a song that we just took for the Discord? Oh, it is a real song? Okay. I can't do that. I'll be on double secret probation forever. But you try, you can't change that. But, oh my God, it was another short at 67. Martin, you get that short again? 67, 68 on the gold? Oh my God. Oh, Nasdaq's finished. You could change your telephone number. You could change your address too. But stop me from loving you. Oh, you can't change that. No, no, no. You're the only one I love. And boom. Wow, it got quiet. It's thin trading. Yeah. Cause Curtis Lowe is the finest picker that ever played the blues. Oh, down. That's right. Yeah, I could be a singer. What happened yesterday, chat? Did Trump tweet something and make it drop? No. Papa Trump is speaking Thursday, and that'll be a dead day. After the PPI. What's this, Jeff? I can't. Jeff, send me. I can't read what you sent me. I can't open it. Oh, these 30-minute time frames want to drop. These 30s. Hey, Andy Willis, how are you? I rode my bicycle past your window last night. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You live in Jupiter, holy folk? Oh boy. Oh, boring August. You ain't kidding. You'll see dot. Especially on a Friday. Woo. Most Def, how are you? Oh, the song? I was not in the bathroom. 8:30 to 4, sir. 8:30 to 4, Trader Y3M. Andy Willis, if you'd like to have if you need some help, just text me. I'm more than happy to talk to you. 914-500-7484. Yeah, I have so much. Oh my God, I have so many guitars. I really got to go take some better lessons. More songs I want to learn to play. But we don't do that. We scale into a trade. When I work with the top traders in the world, we never would just do single lot entry. If I'm buying a 250,000 Qs, I'm not buying 250,000 Qs at one price, 720, and watch it drop 90 cents. That's not trading. If we're going to buy every trade was a 250,000 shares minimum, right? If we're trading, all right. You buy 50 here, you buy 50 here, maybe you save 100 for here, and maybe you buy 50 here, 75, 50, and whatever. I'm just saying. My guitars are I got a couple Les Pauls, Paul Reed's. I have probably about 5 Les Pauls. I think I have 4 Paul Reed Smiths. I have a Martin acoustic. I have what else do I have? A couple other ones. I want the guitar. Was it the 360? The one that what's his name? Keith Richard played with Give Me Shelter. Oh, kill me. They passed the bill, right? Permanent daylight savings. Yeah, Papa Trump. He's on the top of everything. Now I just got to do the Save America Act, and I'll be happy. Boy, oh boy, is it dead. Oh, you can't change that. No, no, no. You know what they pay for German? 12 million. Yeah, I know. It can be electric. You can plug it in. I mean, it's not electric, but you can plug it in to the amplifier if you want. Nope, they don't have to change daylight savings anymore. What time are they leaving it to? Are they leaving it the way it is right now? Yeah, I saw that today. I think so. They have. Well, when are they going to vote? They better pass it quick. No, no, now you're the only one I leave. 60. Jesus. You're the one I love, girl. NASDAQ was crazy today. They haven't passed the Save America Act yet? That song is by Radio Chest. Radio? I thought it was by the Stylistics. Oh, right. You're right. Radio Steve. Right. You're right. 100%. I apologize. You're right. Look at it. 60 up to 90. 60 up to even. Yeah, I feel. You're right. That's right. I apologize. Radio Steve. Right. Wow. Really? Moon Boy, I have an all black. Wow, 1977 Strat Gibson 3. Wow, 335? Ooh. Stop, get in there. Oh my God. Off the 5-minute time frame, up 50. Look at this. And now the 15s are turning up. Oh, forget it. Don't you dare short them. Not with these 15s turning up into a positive MACD. What the 1 minute say here? Jesus. All right, what time is it here? 9:15. How many do we have? We did 3 giveaways, right? 3 giveaways. All got kabooshed. Yes, sir. Where's the gap, Pat man? Christopher, 950 or 967? Where's the gap? I don't even see the gap. You want to see a really monster bull flag? You see a monster bull flag like this on the 60-minute time frame, oversold, first pullback on the 60-minute after the 60 reversed to sell. Look at the yellow dots, which is the price within the algo. Oversold, positive MACD right above the 10 bar. Oh my God. Are you crazy? Really? See that right there? Kaboom. Look at this. It's exactly what Ravlin said, 745. What a long. That is an absolute pullback. So when the 60 reversed to buy, the MACDs are below the pivot here. This is the first pull, and it correlates with the 30 and the 15. And what do? You buy the first pullback. Oh, my Lord. And this was a Picasso right here on the low today. Where's the low today? Is this it? No. 30 minute. Where's that today? 30. Is that today? No. Where's that? The 30 minute. Oh, here it is. Right here. Nope, that's not it. That's a 5-minute. No one. I'm looking for the 30. Idiot. Right here. You see this push down here, right here? You made new lows here, and the MACDs are non-confirmed this morning. What a short up here off the 60-minute. You guys should be watching my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. What indicator is what, Luke? Be watching my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. All right. Gold's finished. These 30s are going to roll over on gold. Forget it. Now it just completely died. Yeah, you're right. I apologize, Jay. Yeah, it was Radio Steve, I think. Boy, is it dead. Those one-on-one order blocks in supply and demand zones. I just want to beat the guy. Oh, I hope everything's all right, Subtracts. Caddyshack. All right, that one. All right. Quiet here now. Gold was a great short. Pushed up again above 67, dropped 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 5 missed the 60 print on the NASDAQ, but all right. SK, I have only 220 and 1,000 drawdown left on my but accounts. Do you think I can salvage? You got to be very picky. Yes. Got to be very careful with your entries and exits, and you should really be trading. If you're going to do that, more pattern trading than scalp trading.
All right, give me some more numbers.
Number 159.
159. It is. Wow, this is a name. David Lamec. I can't pronounce it. He put his email there for both names. We got to choose somebody else. Sorry, he put his email on both username and there. Somebody,
Okay,
give me another number.
171.
71. Alley Cat 556.
Hey, Alley Cat! Woo! Alley Cat! That's my daughter's email. Alley Cat. Well, I call her Alley Cat sometimes. No,
All right, they're there. Next.
Alley Cat. Really? Congratulations. 221. 221. Get in there, Alley Cat.
Easy ES D1L.
Whoa.
Easy ES.
There you go. Get in there. Alley Cat, congratulations. Easy DS? ESDS? Is he here?
ES, like
ES?
S&P 500.
Oh,
ES.
right. Look at this NASDAQ go, the 15s. 3K3, you need to go to My Fund of Futures, or just you can go to My Fund of Futures and create an account, and whatever email you have to go to My Fund of Futures YouTube. When Aaron posts a link.
All right, not here. Next.
Number 201. 201.
NQ Contract Killer.
NQ Contract Killer. NQ Contract Killer. He's got to be here. There he is.
Yep. All right, next.
Okay. 111.
JL Trading 1111.
Oh, he's always here. You guys register? You guys should register every night. It's on when he posts the link.
Here.
You guys.
Back to you.
All right, thank you, sir. All right, we're making new highs here. If it takes out 38 on the NASDAQ.
All right.
What happened?
I said, all right. See ya.
Oh, all right. JL 1111111. Congratulations, Alley Cat. Get in there. Good job. And then NQ. Congratulations. Who's the guy giving out accounts? The boogeyman. It's Aaron. Aaron. Hey, Flash Gordon, how are you? Warp Trades, what's going on? What'd you say? Oh, Aaron, yes, Aaron. I thought you said. I thought he wrote a nun. I thought he wrote a nun. Luke, why are you texting me when I'm streaming or calling me? Whatever you're on, send me 2 cases, please. Luke, why are you texting me or calling me when I'm streaming? Put him in the bathroom. That's it. He goes right in the bathroom. New highs, NASDAQ. Oh. He called me 3 times tonight. and I just hit. Come on, I'm streaming. What do you think I'm doing? Painting my ceiling in my office? No, time to short gold. No, I wouldn't short gold here. Oh my God! Whatever you're on, send me 5 cases. Nasdaq gets above 40, I would take a scalp short. 40 up to 70. I think they're gonna get hit. I just dropped 18. Just dropped 20. Damn it! Put them in the bathroom. Another bear flag setting up on the 5-minute. Oh geez, just dropped 42 to 19. It's Christmas in July. I gotta get a bunch of T-shirts. Christmas in January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, and then whenever I gotta have a reserve of T-shirts of Christmas. Did we cancel the short? Yes. It never got there. Oh, it got there after. I got this is let's see, then the gold dropped right now about 9 off the highs. The 30s are gonna kill it. You have another great trading story from the past? Oh my God, I got thousands. Why is gold teasing 58 or trading 58? You're in a sell disconnect. It doesn't matter. So who does it better? Ready? Okay. Who does it better?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, we'll do it one more time.
It doesn't matter.
Okay? Or me. It doesn't matter. Look at the gold. It doesn't matter. I gotta think. I think she did it better. That was from the I think that I do it better. I don't know about that. Look at his gold. That was from the days of Howard Stern back in the late 90s when I thought he was okay. And SKI win Pipster, that's hysterical. Gold cabooshed. I didn't think it was a short. I was looking for one more push up. But good job. What are my thoughts on crude? Let me see. So yeah, one day I was, oh my God, what a short, 80.5 tonight. Oh my God, we should be watching this crude. It doesn't trade much though. How about my fund the futures taking off the restrictions on gold? Get in there. So one day I was listening to how you're short Apple. Okay. Apple got me yesterday, but I got other things today. So oh, that Apple. I'm pretty I probably do very well with it though. All right, there goes the gold dropping. Short the world. I don't trade options like that. I trade options. I sell premium. I don't like trading options outright. Oh my God, gold kabooshed off that 30-minute time frame. What a bear flag on the 30. Selling puts? No, selling calls. I can sell puts too. I did that a couple of times. I think I made $750,000 or about maybe a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, in like 2.5 months selling calls on MSTR. I got my friend involved. I think he made it close to 150, but I think I made like $750,000 in like 2.5 months. And all I was doing was like selling, you know, what you think about scalp long gold? Uh, hmm. Might be able to if it gets back down to the 48 and a half, 47.5 to 54.5 range, maybe. All right, gold. Nasdaq just hit. If Nasdaq hits 12, down 30 off the highs. The high was 42. I said to sell at 40, but it was already dropping, and then it got down to 33, and it got kabooshed. Be really careful. I would go wide on the gold scalp long. These 30s are still rolling over. Boom. Gold. The guy who bought 67s on gold, he jumped. Oh no, now you're the only one I love. You know, people say, see, the thing is that these people don't know what I do during the day. And a lot of these people who are clicking and they're trading NASDAQ on a chart, they're trading on a 1 minute time frame, and they think that's trading. That's trading to their degree, not for what I do. I trade everything. Coinbase, AMD, Intel, SpaceX every so often. Good job, Moon Boy. That's great. Great job, Moon Boy. Need a new phone. Yeah, we're in I think we're in semifinals now. I want to beat this guy. I think I'm down about either 1,500 away or it's 1,200 away. I'm not sure. Change that? No, no. LC, yeah. What happened with LCID today? I heard it went bankrupt, right? Oh, yep. Why did it bankruptcy? We're out of bankruptcy. They filed for bankruptcy. How much you up tonight? How much you up tonight? There's no way we'd have a losing trade on this thing. Then practice on sim when you do that.
No, I am on the sim.
I'm talking. Okay, when I say how much you up or down, I'm talking proper count. Okay, it's okay. Just no problem. It's okay. No problem. We clarified it, right? So you have to determine if you if that's fine. I like what you did. You tried it on. Okay, you trade the prop account. And you, Jason, how you doing? Up about 5.
I'm up like. Oh, I was up 20.
I mean,
Oh,
locked
I
out.
didn't lock out.
You lost.
Yep.
You lost the whole 2,400.
Yeah.
No, see, Baba, that's discipline.
I know.
I know. So let me just tell you something, okay? No, I'm talking to you, right?
No, I know.
No. So in the first podcast I ever did, I said there's 2 words in the English language that I can't stand. I know. First podcast I ever did. I know. Because if you know, then you wouldn't do it. Now I don't want, right? So that to me, I don't think I've ever said that. Right? Because that's how, for me, those 2 words is like a death sentence. Why'd you do this? You know better. I know. Right? Why'd you jump out of a plane without a parachute? I know. Right? I mean, I'm just saying. Why are you trading without stops? I know. I've heard it all. Again, if they trade up to the 40 handle, I hope you're getting short. They just hit 40 again, 40 to 80. 44 is the high, just dropped 20. Right? Yes, NASDAQ short. Yes. Gold's finished. That's why I said you got to be really careful. The 30s are rolling over. Gold's absolutely finished. Gold's down 20 off the highs. NASDAQ, if you sold 40s, just dropped 20. Next bounce on the NASDAQ, next bounce on gold's got to be shorted. The 5s reversed to sell. NASDAQ just dropped 30. That's why I said you have to take, if anything, a scalp long on gold. Be sure that now the 60s are reversing. Okay, so the 60-minute time frames about to reverse to sell on indicator 4 on gold at 10 o'clock. And then what do you look to do? You short the first bounce on the 5-minute, the second bounce on the 15. All right, if this gold gets back up to 40, let's see, I don't know. I'm not liking this gold here at all, but I expect a rally. I agree. I know it's a losing mindset. Anybody get the short on the NASDAQ? Ryan, you get that short? I think this gold is going to 3,800, 3,830. Christopher Pac-Man, you get that short? Probably stop orders. That's why I said 47.5 to 54.5. If you're stopped out, I would just wait for a bounce to short it. I definitely tell you, it's unbelievable. Look at the NASDAQ, Mikey Jacques. Down 40, Mikey Jacques. Look at that. I said look to short 40 up to 40, 40 up to 80. Missed my henny. Now, if you want to take a scalp long on gold, you can go like 36, 30, 43, 30. What a short on gold. Where's the See if this gold can get one more push up. That was a good short. Ryan, you get that short? If this gold can get up to the 45.5 to 48.5. How could you miss that short? Buy the drop what? On NASDAQ or gold? No, I wouldn't buy the NASDAQ. I think the 15s and the 5s are rolling over. Nobody got that short on the gold. Again, if anybody new here, so many new people. Oh my God. Moroccan villain, all you got to do is lower your stop. Oh my God. Look at the NASDAQ down 50. What a short. I told you they're going to roll over here. I said the 15-minute time frames were rolling over. That's why I said on the NASDAQ up here, plus you made the new high, the non-confirmation on the 5. Depends on the asset. Where's the bear? All right, gold should get one more push up here. If these 60-minute time frames reverse to sell on gold, I would look to short the first overbought condition on the 5. Okay. S&P's dropped 4. All right. Gotta get this NASDAQ. Where is NASDAQ? Those two, who's that? Wind. Oof. My honey. I think the next bounce you have to look to short the NASDAQ, the gold. If the gold futures reverse to sell on the 60-minute time frame at 950, you see here, indicator 4, then you're in a negative trend. And then what you'd want to do is you short there goes the gold on the way up, starts scaling out above 46.5. NASDAQ, so you want to short the first bounce on the 5 and then the second bounce on the 15, especially on the gold. You see the negative MACD here, negative MACD here, negative MACD. This is why I called a short on gold right here. There was no way it was getting above 67, 68 right here. See that? That was a monster bear flag right there, right? So once those 30s kicked in, gold had nowhere to go. All right, hopefully maybe if you got stopped out, you can start scaling out of gold here, just chip away. Exit some longs and then wait for the bounce to get short. Hey, Frank. 'Cause you're the only one I love. And you can't change that. Boom, boom. Ooh. All right, that was short-lived. o'clock soon.
All right, give me 4 more.
Number 255.
Cameron Fisher.
Cameron Fisher. Are you here? Cameron Fisher. His NASDAQ just ran 30. Cameron Fisher.
Here, next.
Number 127.
Adam Daz.
Adam he's always here.
Yes, he is. I hope he is still here.
Adam Daz.
Yep, there he is. Next.
Woo-hoo! Do we have what's our lowest number? 3, 2, 1, what?
What do you mean our lowest number?
What I mean, like, do we start at 0 or do we start at like 5 because of
It starts at 2.
2? Number 2. I'm gonna
Jack
congratulate.
Skeleton Official.
Who is it?
Jack Skeleton Official.
Wow, Jack Skeleton Official deserves it. He was the first one, right? Jack Skeleton Official, are you here?
Yep.
Is he here?
Yep, next.
Okay. All right. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial, my phone's blowing up here with people. Please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Jack Skeleton, great job. All right. Last number, right?
Yep.
Number 67.
The Trader's Nest.
Whoa, he's here. The Trader's Nest. You registered W. Kaysen by signing up with a My Fund the Futures account, and you sign up when Aaron posts the link. Number 67, The Trader's Nest. Hey, he's here. Congratulations.
There we go. Congrats to everybody.
Woohoo. All right. We got about 9 minutes. And again, please watch me this Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30 on My Friend the Futures TV. Okay. Going to be a really great event. Gold, this S&P's Nasdaq's going to get one more push up. S&P's ran 2. Look, S&P's ran 2 and the Nasdaq just ran like 40. Go figure. Or 30. 35. Good night, Mikey Jacques. Get some rest. Ooh. There goes the Nasdaq right back up. All right. And again, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. Okay. Let's see if they get another push up to 40. Might be another short up there. We get one more push up here. They get up to the 40. They get up another bear flag thing up here on the 5. They get up to 40, 40, 45, up to 80, 85. I'd short them. Another bear flag. I don't even know if you're going to get that high. All right. Got about 6 minutes to go in the game. Where's the bear? Oh, no. He ain't here now. How you doing tonight, Nick? Okay, how could you lose it? It's really slow. I'm just curious. Okay. You the Dom had a problem?
Oh.
Well, it's slow for the Dom tonight. Last night was crazy. Good night, Rod Trades. Good night. Hey, Miss K, have a good night, everybody. All right, we got about 5 minutes here. All right, they hit the 40 mark. This is another bear flag here. 43. All right, who's going to win tomorrow? Argentina or England? Let's have about that. Argentina or England? I'll tell that Henny. England, Argentina. That's 2 Argentinas. Oh, 2 for 2. Argentina. And oh wow, it's tied here. Argentina. Messi. Oh boy. Much love and respect. Adam, good luck. I hope you pass the challenge, Adam. I hope you get a couple payouts off that one. I know it's rigged. Eric. The whole country's rigged. 3-0. National American League. England day trader. I think I thought it was going to be Argentina and France from the beginning. I have a feeling it's going to be Argentina against Spain. I would love to see Spain win. Argentina won it already. Oh, I don't know. We'll see. Gold's finished. Kabooshed. Yeah, please, Adam. And Adam, try to listen to me during the day, if you can. Who hasn't won? Spain or England? Look at this. Right back up. I still think they're going to drop. 15s, 30. 30s out of 91. That's not bad, Jason, though. 500 in your real account?
Yeah.
when you're up on a prop account like that, you just try to go for singles and doubles on that. You know what I'm saying?
What just happened?
But the lights went out. And I didn't pay the bill. No, it's
The
it's
volume.
no. If you move, it'll come back on.
$10.
It's 10 o'clock. All right, everybody. NASDAQ, look to cover this between the 30 and 45 range. I think you're going to get a drop, 25 to 45. All right, Aaron, thank you very much, everybody. I want to thank Matt, Aaron. I want to thank Luke. I want to thank Aaron, of course. I want to thank all of you for being here. All right. Please be joining me tomorrow night again from 8 to 10. Have a great night, everybody. Again, discipline, discipline, discipline. Keep trying to rotate accounts. And that's how I think you're going to succeed in trading versus trading just one account. All right. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. Good night, Aaron.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.